Tell me about that. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not
Because
You're the only one. You're the only person I've ever seen done a black comedian, and
No, wait a minute.
no one.
No, wait a minute. I think you're getting this wrong. Are you talking about the episode with Robert Downey Jr. and Tracy Morgan?
UCLA for less than 2 months before dropping out to pursue a career in comedy. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere, you want to get all the way to CBS.
His father was really more of a profile of Fred Trump. And then I read Woody's book, I read Woody Allen's biography.
Flipping out, and I started smashing things in the dressing room. I had basically a cathartic experience.
Yes, if you hang in there, there is.
Well, people
What really annoys the shit out of me?
What?
How long have you been doing?
I do jujitsu.
You've been doing jujitsu. What wood?
You really gotta know what you're doing. Wood from a tree.
Pizza's great, and I love New York, and I
The effervescent beauty.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.